They also build a turret in the shape of a cone, okay, and they give you the volume of the cone. They want you to work out the radius. So this is one of these sort of working backwards sort of problems here, where they tell us the volume is 122. So I always write that down to begin with, okay, and then I write the formula for a cone. Okay, now they tell me that on page 2, okay, in the exam. So it's 1/3 pi r squared h is 122. Okay, then you can sub in the values you know. So we know pi, of course, 3.14. They always tell you that at the start, front of the paper as well, on the front page. So pi is 3.14. The radius we don't know, so I leave that as r squared, and we know the height to be 4. Yeah. So I'm subbing in all the values I know. That I know pi, and I know the height. So what I'll do next is then, on my calculator, I'll work out all of this, okay? And I'll leave the r squared, and you're allowed to do that, right? So essentially what I'm doing is, I'm just changing the order here, okay? Because when you multiply, it doesn't matter what order you multiply in. So I could write it like that, if that makes sense to you, okay? Putting the numbers first. So I literally, on my calculator, type that in, 1/3 times 3.14 times 4, and that comes to 4.186 recurring, then that's 6 is. Okay, so I worked out that calculation. You've got to think then, how do I get r on its own? Well, first of all, let's get r squared on its own, because we times in here, take that over and divide. So we get r squared to equal to then, so 122 divided by the ants, that equals to 29 point something, 14, and then to get r, you've got to square root, yeah? So if I square root the answer, I get out 5.4 meters for the radius.